What's poppin'? It's Dy. I'm back with another video. Back with another banger. Hold on. Boom, there we go. Now we in the stars. Speaking of the stars, today is the day before we shoot the In the Stars video for me and Lucky's new single. If y'all haven't heard that, go check that out. The link is gonna be in the bio. But sadly, Lucky had a car accident about 2 weeks ago, and his car had the stars. He's gonna use that in the video. But unfortunately, they totaled his car. Therefore, the Buick will not be in the video. But he bounced back. Bounced back, got a new whip. It doesn't have the stars in it yet. So I'm actually on my way home, and I got a busy day today. I have to get stars in his car by tomorrow. By tomorrow afternoon. I think we're starting to shoot at 5. I have to get those stars done tonight. So that is what I'm gonna be working on all day. Hopefully it doesn't take me that long. Y'all gonna see the full process, but I want this video to be good. I don't want his vehicle to be left out of it. I just don't want my charger in there. So I'm gonna try and knock that out for him. Traffic is kind of heavy right now, so it's taking me super long to get across town. Lucky is supposed to pull up on me today, drop off the whip. I'm gonna drop him back off at home, and we'll get that process started. Also, I appreciate everybody who listens to the music for real, and everybody who is helping me get this video production done. My boy Dev, he's gonna be shooting it. Shout out to him. Shout out to J-Dub. I'm gonna let him edit the video. He's all the way in Atlanta. I'm working somewhere everywhere. Shout out to him as well. I know he gonna do his thing. Shout out to my beautiful ladies. My beautiful lady. I don't know who Lucky has. Shout out to my beautiful lady. That is what's going on right now. So like I said, headed to the house to see exactly where Lucky is, to see if his light box even made it. Amazon said it was gonna be here by 10 p.m. Right now it's 3:30. And if it's here at 10 p.m., there's no way, obviously, I'm gonna be able to get that done for tomorrow. I gotta work at 6 in the morning. So, keep y'all updated. And yeah, y'all subscribe, like, comment on the videos. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know some more content. Let me know what y'all's favorite song is, what y'all want to see a visual to next. Just let me know. Pulling up to the house in like 30 seconds. Just got off the phone with him, and I said I'm hoping to be a bearer of good news and not bad news. So, like I said, hopefully the box is sitting on the porch. We're about to see as soon as we pull up. Oh, and the UPS truck that's crazy. UPS truck is driving down the road. And I definitely see a box. Definitely see a box. So it'll be one of two things. That could be my gaffer's tape, or that could be my stars. So let's check it out. Let's check it out. Well, like I say, yeah, there's the UPS truck down there. I don't know if y'all see it. Let's see. Let me show y'all that house I'm supposed to be looking for. And boom, we have the box. Thank you, Amazon. Let's unbox it real quick. See exactly what it is. Let's see. There we have it. Yes, sir. So, gotta get on the phone, call my boy, let him know it's up. Keys are always a perfect tool to open up boxes. Go, y'all. Here's my guy right here. Drop out the package. Going crazy. Y'all know what it is.
Man, what that mean?
Man, hey, you got the Addy. That mean pull up, man. I sent you a Snapchat.
Oh, my Lord.
Yes, sir. So go on, pull up on me, man.
I'm to you right now.
Say less. Yes, sir. Y'all know what it is. We're doing behind the scenes. Yeah, we're doing behind the scenes and the stars, man. Yes, sir. So, gonna get them right. Get them right with the stars, but we finna hop in the scat. I'm taking him back to the crib so I can get my work done, man. Oh, I told Tierney. What's he doing? I told her I'm having 2 outfits. Jordan took my Jordans to Houston, so I gotta find a different outfit. I also want to wear my Thor shirt, the burgundy jump with my burgundy and white 6s. But he took my jump, so Tierney wearing all black with some colored heels. And I told her I'm gonna have me like a graphic tee, skinny jeans, Jordans type jump, and then an all black outfit. We're doing 2 outfits, right? So. What time your girl coming out?
She already black.
For sure. I told her we was gonna start shooting at 5.
Cool. She so wanted to know.
Yeah, 5, and then I got the warehouse at 7. And that's gonna be the main scene right there. The warehouse journey
right there. I think I need to put out the all black for this scene right there.
And we're gonna do some downtown scenes. One downtown scene. Buckle up, bro. That thing is not gonna stop it.
I ain't heard it.
One downtown scene in the car. I like the backseat idea, so we're gonna go to the backseat too. And then I'm also gonna switch it up. Have Devin in the backseat and us in the front for 40 seconds. Yeah. And turn everything sideways so you get the whole idea. Devin is more of a cinematic shooter. He want to do like some cinematic stuff. He don't want to do the fast transitions and stuff. Like he want the jump to be like basically a movie type jump. That one right there.
Oh, okay.
That jump so hard.
Yeah, it's hard.
That jump so hard.
That's a still camera on the car.
Yeah. So I might have to use my GoPro in that joint.
Yeah, you might have to.
That's definitely gonna be.
Yeah, that's cinematic.
Yeah. Dude flying that drone, whoever flying that drone, fool, going crazy. You will see that in the next scene, bro. Whoever flying that drone, fool, crazy.
Alright, so that's the look you going for tomorrow? As far as like angles?
Yeah.
Alright, bet. Alright, bet. I'm gonna put the slugs out there.
For the what?
I'm gonna put the slugs out.
What is that?
I got 10 top 10 bottoms.
Okay. Bet. Yeah, pull them jumps out, man.
Dang. Watch two.
Watch two. Hey, look what I got, man. I need to go get this jump adjusted today. I'm gonna try and toss this joint on tomorrow, man.
Hell yeah.
So I can hit that lucky.
Hell yeah, oh God.
Hit that shit one time.
What you got hit with? Man, we lit tomorrow though, for sure.
Dropped him off. Now it's time to get to it. I'm gonna show y'all a small process of how I do it, but not the full process. I can't give y'all the sauce, but we better get it done. So, whew, it's been a long day already. I finally got the stars. Hey, I'm not gonna show y'all what they look like right now. I got them turned off. I'm not gonna show y'all what they look like. But just know they're there. Got a few spots to clean up. So now I gotta find my bag and find my little extension so I can hook them up and then we'll be ready to rock. It's right there. We'll be ready to rock once I find my bag. Good morning, y'all. We back. We are at IHOP. As y'all see, we got both the whips back here. Today we shoot in the stars. Today we shoot it, so Big Body Dev, y'all follow that. Black Thor 6.4, y'all follow that. But we in the trap, of course, in the National House of Pancakes. So we serving pancakes today. So here we go. Find Devin and see if he actually working. Damn. Got Dev back there. He's actually shooting the video today. So I'm gonna hit y'all when we get off work. We got about 4 or 5 hours. Hot boys fresh off work. Y'all see it? So it was too dark yesterday. I couldn't show y'all his stars. You know what I'm saying? I was in a rush. He was trying to get out, get gone. So we're gonna check out the stars real quick. Big Body, shout out to him.
Yes, sir. Make sure y'all follow me on every social media, you feel me?
Every social media. Big Body in the stars.
We're gonna put it on the screen.
Still can't see him like that. We're gonna have to wait till the nighttime. Alright, boys, we're finna get the whips cleaned up. I know mine a little dirty. We was on Grapple Road last night doing security and stuff. So we're gonna get it cleaned up. My boy, tap in with me, man. The ladies, Cam, Dev, the media man. Chill out, fool. So, change of plans, as y'all see. Buddy canceled on me. You're no longer.
You call him out.
No, I'm gonna mute that out. But they gonna read my lips. You are fired, sir. But
connection got you.
Shout out to my boy Will Glass.
Woo!
Yes, sir. Y'all see him. Came through.
I'm his bag up guitar player.
Yes, sir. Y'all already know what it is, man. He needs to stop playing and give me some lessons, for real, for real. Yeah, here go Lucky right here, just pulling up. Yes, sir. Y'all will never guess what happened. Our boy, he said I can rent his shop. You know what I'm saying? 30 minutes before the session, he canceled and was like, yo, bro, something came up. So I was like, I did the facepalm emoji. And he couldn't tell me nothing. So hit up my boy Will last second. He came through for us. We got an actual shop, so it's gonna be a nice little scene. In the Stars featuring Tierney and Ebony. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No, Jack. No, Jack.
She wanna slide and try. Yeah, she wanna slide and try. Oh, she wanna slide and try. Yeah, she wanna slide and try.
She wanna be in the stars. Let's smoke one and let's go to Mars. I promise it's a vibe when we ride. You gon' be satisfied.
So satisfied.
Don't worry about them other niggas, they ain't me. Let's slide around the city, you can ride with me. In the stars, baby. Oh, in the stars, baby. You say you wanna be in the stars. I'm close enough, say you wanna be in the stars. You spoke it up, I'm gon' let you ride, baby. Or I might let you drive while I'm rolling up. I know it's been a long time since you had a good time. Let me show you something. Look up, I know you see that. I got stars in the sky pack. Touching at the red light, I hope to get a green light. She don't give a damn, she know it feels right. She said it feels right, you're at the right spot. She said I hope you never stop, I said I might not. You see the stars, you see the stars, you see the stars, yeah, you see the stars. She wanna be in the stars. Let's smoke one and let's go to Mars. I promise it's a vibe when we ride. You gon' be satisfied, so satisfied. Don't worry about them other niggas, they ain't me. Let's slide around the city, you can ride with me. In the stars, baby. Oh, oh, in the stars, baby.
Baby, let's do it. She wanna ride, I got stars in the Buick. She wanna really be lucky to true. Been in love with her body like I'm shot by Cupid. Ooh, vibe with a real one. I'm far from everybody, yeah, I'm the chill one. Press to the face with my tool, I'ma drill some. Beat up the kitty, little baby, I'ma kill some. Slide, driving, you know this star chain color freaky. We up on top of the cover, stroke. Little baby with us a portal. I'm next to blow from the pot like a bubble, savage. Perk got me fucking the fast and bad. Baby, the whoop, she nasty, smash. Little baby stuck on my match. Smoking this art, got me high like an ass.